Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this 3-part video series I want to talk about how to make bad reviews good reviews for your business and 5 reasons why bad reviews are not necessarily bad for your business after all. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I'm the owner of a company called AGB or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a marble floor cleaner, so on and so forth. We work with you guys and we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in to this 3-part series. How you respond to bad reviews can help you win over new customers. We know that 93% of people read reviews before making a purchase decision, and 97% of those people read review responses. Plus, people spend nearly 50% more money with businesses that respond to their reviews. Responding to bad reviews allows you not only to resolve an issue with an unhappy customer, but it also gives you a way to show prospective customers that you're listening, that you care, and that you've invested in making your customers happy. And again, having bad reviews, you obviously don't want loads, but having a few, like a couple, can actually make your company look more legit. And if you've responded to that bad review and put the issue in context and told your side of the story as well, people might read that review if they will actually really, the business owner's not really at fault here. Or, as I've just said, showing that you, by responding, you're showing that you listen, that you've resolved that problem and that you made things right with the customer. That can actually lead to somebody looking and think, you know what, these guys, they've mostly got 5-star reviews. There's a couple here where people have had bad experience, but when that's happened, they've absolutely put things right for that particular customer, which is something that we really value. So we're going to sign up with these guys. We're going to schedule a floor cleaning with them. How to deal with bad reviews. So you got a bad review, what to do next? Follow these simple steps and see how to deal with bad reviews. First of all, read the review objectively. It's easy to get defensive, it's easy to get standoffish and have that knee-jerk reaction when you read a bad review about your business, especially if you feel like the review is unwarranted. But it's important to take all bad reviews with a grain of salt and try to understand the root of the complaint. By reading bad reviews objectively and trying to understand where the customer is coming from can allow you to take better next steps to resolve the bad review. To respond or not to respond, we suggest responding to all reviews, both good and bad. Again, your review response gives you a way to fix the situation with your current customer, put things right, and potentially, as I've just mentioned, win over new customers. The only situation you may want to hold off on responding is if you believe you've received a bad review in error or that violates the review site's policy, and you might want to try and flag it for a removal. So it might be that this person was never your customer, that maybe they've left a bad review on your site or on your page by mistake, and so you might want to flag that for removal. And if you can prove it, it may well be removed. Craft your response to the bad review. This part can be tricky, but crafting the perfect response to bad reviews can save your online reputation and your relationship with the customer. Follow our steps to respond to negative reviews and keep these tips in mind. Don't get defensive. It might be hard, but it's important to remain calm in your response so you don't escalate the situation into something worse. Apologize for their experience. Nearly 40% of people, they just want an apology from a business after leaving the bad review. They just want you to say sorry. Try to take the resolution offline. To avoid going back and forth with the reviewer online, offer a phone number, email address, or ask the reviewer to provide their contact information, of course, if you don't already have it, so that you can continue the conversation in a less public way. So reply to the review, apologize, say, that you want to put things right, and ask for their contact details, or if you've already got them, give them a call, pick up the phone, tell them that what you've done to plug plug that problem, what you've done to put things right, and then offer them a refund or whatever it is, if necessary, if you believe that that's the best course of action, and a discount on a future job or something like that. Offer a resolution to let the reviewer and those reading the review know you plan to fix the situation. Offer a resolution like a discount or a refund, or promise to remedy the complaint. Follow up. Make sure to follow up the reviewer quickly so you can avoid making them more upset. Don't go and leave the bad review sitting there without responding to it for 2 weeks. As soon as you get it, get back to them, offer to put it right, offer to give them some kind of discount, and then get on the phone and give them some kind of a phone call and speak to them on a personal level. Make improvements based on your bad reviews. Bad reviews provide an opportunity for improvement for your business. Take a look at your recent bad reviews to see what could be enhanced or adjusted to continue providing the best experience for your customers. After responding to bad reviews, you may also let the reviewer know about any processes you updated or changes you made, so both they and the review readers can see that you take feedback seriously and are dedicated to making improvements for your customers. So again, use this as a learning lesson to improve your company, and let people know when you speak to them on the phone, when you respond to the review, what you've done to put things right, what you've done to improve the situation. And then as well, when new customers read that, it shows that you're listening, that you're improving the company, and that can actually cast a really positive light on your business and actually make a new customer take a next step, even though it was a bad review. Get good reviews. Good reviews are still important, obviously, to your business's success, so make sure you put effort, obviously, into getting good reviews, creating a process for asking reviews from your happy customers, ensuring you're delivering a great customer experience at all times to increase your chances of positive reviews. As I said in one of my previous videos, one of the best things that you can do is literally have a tablet with you or a phone with you or something like that, and let's say you're cleaning someone's carpet. At the end of that process, walk around, have some kind of checklist, check off, maybe you've got a 7-point or a 10-point cleaning process. Walk around with the customer, make sure that they're absolutely happy with everything before they've had the chance to leave you a bad review. Walk them around the home, show them what you've done, make sure they're happy before you leave, and if they're not happy, you've got the opportunity to put it right in the home right then and there. And then at the end of all of that, ask them to leave a review for you right then and there. Literally hand them maybe your phone and have your page up and say, would you terribly mind, now that I've walked you around the home and you've said that you're really happy with everything, it would really mean a lot to me if you could just literally take 2 minutes now and leave me a review, right? And then if you do that, I'll give you 20% off your next clean, or next time you have your carpets cleaned, I'll throw in another room for you for free. You need to give them some kind of incentive to go out of their way and leave you a good review, right? And so by having some sort of incentive like that, like a discount or a free something, by getting them to leave you a review right then and there, that might be the thing, oh yeah, sure thing, no worries. So now you're getting reviews when you're actually in the home and you're getting positive reviews. It makes it very difficult then for anybody to leave you bad reviews, because you went over everything and you made sure the client's happy. It's very unlikely that you'll get any kind of bad reviews. So that's kind of my little hack for getting loads of great reviews and actually generating reviews. Ask for it in the home, walk them around, make sure they're happy. If they're not, put it right. If they are, give them some kind of incentive and pull out your phone or a little tablet, and then basically get them to leave you a review right then and there, and then email them some discount voucher as a thank you or whatever. Make bad reviews good for your business. No, it'll never be fun to get bad reviews, but with the right attitude, as we've just covered in this video, and a good reputation management strategy in place, you can make, as you've just seen, bad reviews good for your business. So I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below and tune in to the next part of this series. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to our website where you can find out more information and schedule a call. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.